smell it?
क्या तुम लोग क्या करते हो यार? I think I know this. Are you wearing it today?
No, I'm not wearing it today. I'm not wearing it today.
I'm better than a dog. I'm telling you, I sniff better than a dog. कुत्ते से ज़्यादा मैं sniff करता हूँ.
How did you get this right? Hi guys, welcome back to another fragrance video on the SSBeauty YouTube channel. This month we've planned something extra special for you guys, but before I get into that, let me introduce you to our extra special guest, Rajiv Adatia.
How are you?
Hi.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ. हम बस सेट पे आप ही का इंतजार कर रहे थे.
Thank you so much. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कब मेरे इंतजार कर रहे थे. मेरी भारत की जनता जो देख रहे हैं, वो भी मेरे लिए इंतजार कर रहे थे. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
Even we are really happy to have you on the sets here. But मुझे जानना है कि आपका फ्रेग्रेंस का जर्नी स्टार्ट कैसे हुआ?
बचपन से स्टार्ट हुआ यार. मेरे घर में हमेशा फ्रेग्रेंस होते थे. मतलब लंदन में my mom is a fanatic. तो मामा and my dad both have very अलग-अलग styles of fragrances. But I think जब मैं high school और school में था ना, I think I was the only student जो इतना fragrance पीता था school में.
Let me explain to you what exactly we're doing here. We are playing a fragrance blindfold challenge with our guest Rajiv Adatia. Since he's such a fragrance fanatic, we decided to put it to a test.
But our naak is very fresh and ready to smell these fragrances. I hope it's only fragrances, कुछ और नहीं है. I'm smelling things already.
Shall we get started?
Yes. Start.
Okay. Okay. So you gotta wear this.
आपको यही blindfold मिला और कुछ नहीं मिला आपको क्या? यही pink वाला लेके
Why do you hate pink?
No, but I just look like very funny, na?
No, it looks cute. Doesn't it look cute?
So Raki's house award. I love this. Chalo, start.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the first fragrance. You're too excited, huh?
I'm just very excited. But I just want to. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं तो smell हो जाए मतलब. Oh, I think I know this.
He's putting it inside his nose. But what does it smell like? You can describe it.
It smells very fruity, very like summery. It has flowers inside. Is this YSL?
Yes, it is.
It's YSL female, right?
Yes, it is.
Oh, I'm so good at this. Are you serious? It's YSL now?
Yes, yes.
See, can I take my blindfold off for a second?
Yes, you can.
See, I told
you. It's YSL Libre, you guys. He got this point.
See, I'm very good. See.
Okay, so you guessed this one correctly. But let's see if you can get this one.
Okay.
I'll give you a hint.
Okay.
It's a men's perfume.
हाय तो बहुत अच्छा है यार.
हाँ.
पर मेरे पास ये है. This is Ralph Lauren. I have it and I use it.
You can take your blindfold.
शक है कोई?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
See, I told you it's Ralph.
Completely right.
I'm better than a dog. I'm telling you, I sniff better than a dog. कुत्ते से ज़्यादा मैं sniff करता हूँ. I'm telling you, I'm very good at this.
Okay. So the next is a very exciting perfume.
Okay.
And but this one I'm not going to put on the tester strip. Okay. You're going to have to just smell it through my hand.
ये क्या है भाई?
Okay, so ये आपका टेस्ट नहीं है. हमें समझ में आ गया.
टेस्ट नहीं है? किसी का टेस्ट नहीं है. बहुत बुरा है यार.
Is it? ठीक है, हम आपको दूसरा परफ्यूम देते हैं.
ठीक है. After last time पता नहीं क्या मुझे देने वाले हो.
But again, I'm not going to hand you the strip. You have to smell it from here.
Oh God, man.
What do you think? What perfume is this?
It smells like chocolate though.
Really? Maybe a close.
The wine, kind of wine, maybe like what is it? Oh, it's a cupcake!
It's a cupcake!
Okay, and what was the other? This was your other perfume. You made me smell chutney.
This is chili sauce. You want to smell it again?
No, thank you very much. Who makes someone smell chili sauce as a fragrance?
I mean, we were just pranking you a little bit. इतना तो चलता है ना.
मैं इसे लेके जाओ, मैं पूरा खा लूँगा ये. लेके जाओ.
Blindfold on.
Ready.
Are we ready for our third perfume guess?
Listen, give me a perfume this time, yaar.
I'll give you something really nice.
Okay.
It's a feminine fragrance.
Okay.
And it's actually like an office favorite. Everybody in my team loves it.
Okay.
What does it smell like?
See, it smells very rosy. It has a very like take me out to dinner and I'll be your girlfriend.
Oh, girlfriend vibes are इस perfume
Yeah, it's very like, you know, if you want to, how you like that kind of vibe, you know how you that kind of, you know. This is Arcelia.
Yes.
Arcelia, but naam is something. This is the Candy Crush.
This is Crazy Crush.
Crazy Crush for Arcelia. Correct. If you want to have a boyfriend, take Arcelia. If you want to make your boyfriend jealous, use Arcelia.
Okay, blindfold on. Time for our next perfume.
Okay.
This one now is everybody's favorite. It's a bestseller everywhere.
Bestseller everywhere?
Yeah, it is.
This is tough, huh?
Is it? It's a very popular one. Take a guess. It's a feminine fragrance.
It's like a leathery, powdery smell.
I'll give you the biggest hint ever.
Yeah.
The bottle is shaped like a footwear.
Arey yaar. I want to win this, yeah. नहीं हो पाएगा यार.
Are you losing this point, Rajiv?
I'm losing this one, yeah. Sorry.
You're losing it?
क्या था?
It's Carolina Herrera. Very good.
Carolina Herrera, correct. Oh, I like the shoe.
On to our next perfume.
Okay, next.
We are gonna give you a very manly perfume. So if I were to go on a date with a man, I want them to wear this. Here. Tell me, what do you smell?
This is very sensual. It's a very obviously masculine perfume.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा है. Very leathery. A bit. I think it's a bit of oud. Oud nahi, but very leathery. Very like
A little
strong.
bit, yeah. It's very intense.
Is this the Arcelia range in the men's section?
Yes, it is.
Point to moi. Thank you so much.
Yes.
What is it? 4 out of 5?
Yeah, it's 4 out of 5.
Okay,
it's
okay,
4
not
out of
bad.
5. Are you ready for the next one?
Next.
Okay. Okay. Smell it.
क्या तुम लोग क्या करते हो यार? What the hell is
It's a
this now?
perfume,
This is
Rajiv.
not a bloody perfume. What is this?
Okay, we've pranked you enough. This is mango achar.
Why are you putting mango chop my nose, yeah?
I'm trying to refresh your senses, like so
Mine
many
is-
good
they're
perfumes.
refreshed. They're refreshed now.
Alright. Another feminine fragrance that is also really popular.
Okay.
It's really cute. The packaging, the fragrance, everything.
See, this brand is very peppery, which I like. It's very like, you know, like kind of a thing, you know.
Okay.
This is Emporio Armani.
Let's
Hermes.
see. What?
Hermes.
It is Hermes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Look at the bottle. It's so cute.
It's the nicest. Like, yeah, it's really cute.
So he got another one right.
I like this one.
Alright, moving on to the next one. Let's see if you can guess this correctly. It's a little niche, but I have faith in you.
Have faith in Rajiv. Let's see what it is. What is it?
Let me spray it on. Have some patience.
बता देना क्या है अभी?
थोड़ा सा patience तो रखना पड़ता है ना? Here. It's a new launch, and that's all the hint I can give you is guess के लिए.
This is very lemony. Oh, sorry, this is very lemony. It's very citrus. And ये है ना daytime का perfume है. See, I think I know what this perfume. मुझे पता लगे कि ये perfume क्या है. तुमको पता है ये perfume क्या है?
हाँ.
तुम pronounce कर पाएगी ये perfume मैं pronounce कर पाऊँगी. Guerlain. Guerlain.
Pronunciation lessons with Rajiv Adatia.
Guerlain. Voulez-vous que je fasse ce soir?
Oh my god, I can't.
Vas-y,
We need a
Andy.
translator in here.
Merci
guys.
beaucoup. Thank you so much. This is Guerlain.
Okay, so you have another point.
Yes, thank you.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 on 7 is going really well. But I'm hoping you guess 1 or 2 more incorrectly. Yeah? What is this? सारे के सारे सही answers.
For my nose, मेरा नाक बहुत strong है मैं बोलता हूँ ना.
Okay, next.
It's a strong nose.
Let's see how strong it is.
Yeah.
The next one
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
The bottle is really pretty though. I'm gonna give you that. And it smells heavenly.
Is it men or ladies?
Men. Achha, what kind of person would wear this kind
See,
of
this
fragrance?
perfume is very similar, not very, very similar, but it's similar to what you used to wear when I in fact, there's a perfume जो मैं पहनता था, मैं जब बचपन में पहनता था.
बचपन में.
अभी भी वो relevant है. ये बोल रहा हूँ कि अभी भी वो बहुत classic है. वो एक Jean-Paul Gaultier का वो था. Now this smells very similar to that, but it's very different also.
So
उसका is it Jean-Paul Gaultier?
it is.
See,
But it's
this
not
is-
the perfume.
That
you're
one
talking
I
about.
wear.
It's not that one.
Achha,
It's
which
not
one is
that
it?
one. It's Scandal by Jean Paul.
Okay, see, I did
You
perfume
got the brand
haan.
correctly, so
Sorry.
I'll give you half a point for this.
Half a point, I got the brand.
Only the brand, and you described another bottle altogether.
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आप हर परफ्यूम का नाम पता आपको?
That's why I'm giving you half a point, Rajiv. Be a good sport, okay? You get.
This is disgusting.
4, 5, 6. You get 6.5.
Brand ज़्यादा important है. What's the name of the perfume?
Scandal.
She's being scandalous. Next.
All right, moving on to another perfume. It's another men's fragrance. This one, it's really nice.
कहाँ है? अच्छा.
I bet you can't get this right.
No, I don't think I'm.
It's Ananda by Embark.
Is it Ananda Spa?
No, it's this fragrance.
Oh, lovely. Who's it by?
Embark.
Oh, Embark.
But it's amazing. I love it. It's very fresh. It's very masculine.
6.5 out of 9 to smell perfumes. Blindfold is a very good thing.
Yeah, it's
I'm
pretty
winning
good.
this.
All right. इसका तो आपने point lose कर ही दिया है. लेकिन I'm hoping कि next वाला आपको definitely पता होगा. It's a new launch and it's beautiful. It's amazing. And I have it in my vanity as well.
Are you wearing it today?
No, I'm not wearing it today. I'm not wearing it today. But it's okay, you'll get to smell it in 3, 2, 1.
This is very nice, yeah?
It is.
It's a lady's perfume.
Yeah.
This is Chloe.
How did you get this right?
I'm being serious. Is it Chloe?
Yeah, it's Chloe.
Perfume का नाम नहीं पता. But Chloe has a distinct, they put jasmine in every one of their perfumes. Oh no, that's what I feel. But Chloe has a distinct scent.
Oh my god, I cannot believe you got this right. It's the latest launch.
And that's not a joke, guys. See, it's Chloe.
It's Chloe.
And I was not looking, I can't see. I'm taking this home with me also because as a gift from SSBeauty, they're giving me this perfume. Because sometimes even men wear ladies' perfumes. I'm telling you. I'm being honest
Yeah,
with you.
I wear men's perfume sometimes.
So crew behind the camera, you know what to gift me.
7.5 out of 10 is a pretty good score if you ask me.
I think it's fabulous.
Yeah, I mean, blindfold रहकर सिर्फ smell करना और fragrance को recognize करना, I swear, it's a talent on your own. Like.
मैं बोलता हूँ मेरा नाक बहुत अच्छा है. I smell a lot of things, and my nose is sensitive. So I'm a good smeller. That sounds very weird, but I'm a good smeller. So if you want to increase your fragrance collection, then you have to go to the SSBeauty website or go in store to get these fabulous fragrances. And guys, I'm sure you've liked this video. You better have. So please comment, like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon for all the notifications so you don't miss a thing, because more fun content like this is going to come up on this channel. And guys, get your fragrances so you smell nice. Love you. Guys, check it out. Cheers. God. Yeah, मैं पतला हो रहा है, यार मुझे कब के खिला रही है. My nose is quite sharp, ready to smell.
Yeah,
some
did you
things.
do some practices, some asanas, yogas?
Yeah, I did a lot of things. The pranayam that Ramdev taught me. What do you call it? Ilom malom, पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं.
Anulom Vilom.
Yeah.